Hey guys, what's up? It's Tuesday, and as usual, we're gonna upload the technicals of our recommendations for today. Let me get our first stock, URC. Here we go, URC. So recommended URC today. It's because it's well on its uptrend line. This is long overdue, actually. Let me pull up the uptrend line. Here we go. So after a long consolidation, sorry, after a long consolidation, it's now back to its uptrend line. So I'm recommending this again for those who have been waiting for this stock. This is the best time to get in. You see how well it consolidated on this uptrend line right here. There we go. So the best place to get in is around here. You can bargain at 168.30 around there, but I think this is gonna go up because it's on a steady climb the last days while it's consolidating. Anyways, that's for URC. I picked it as number one because this is for long-term investment. I don't think it's gonna win big today, but this is gonna be a good entry for newbies out there who's looking for a long-term investment. Next pick is BPI. BPI has been on a decline lately, but that is expected. I won't draw the uptrend line on this stock because it was on a deep climb when it announced the SRO, so that's not the normal technical analysis right there. But it did a pullback. It did a steady run at this support level. Let me click. Let me make a horizontal on that horizontal line on that support. So this has been hit twice right here, and then buying started yesterday. So this is a perfect time to get in as there is confirmation of buying again. As to the resistance, it's still way up there. But with the movement of the stock, I think this is gonna hit resistance again and hopefully do a breakout. So this is a very good time to buy. Most probably here if you want to bargain at 119. So wait for it there. Pick number three, PXP. So PXP, if you notice PXP, it's almost on a breakout. It did a pullback yesterday, but still, after the pullback, it did a good rally and it's now at its resistance. Let me move the stock. Volume is healthy, so most probably this is gonna be a breakout today. Once it does a breakout, get in. I recommend a suggest. I recommend an aggressive approach. So buy it right here once it breaks out, and then strict stop loss just below the resistance line. Sorry, excuse me. Anyways, that's for PXP, and only get in if you can watch the market. Don't get in if you can't. If you cannot watch the market, just get in tomorrow if the breakout holds out above this resistance line. Sorry about that beep. That means we have another subscription, which is good. Anyways, next pick is TBGI. TBGI. Sorry, wrong spelling. GI. It's really dark in my room right now because it's still uh 5 a.m. and I do this because my internet last night. I do this in the morning because my internet last night was very slow. I fell asleep. Because my what do you call this? Because my charts were not loading at all. How come TBGI is not coming up? Am I spelling it right? TB. Let me check a different chart. Is that TBGI? TGBI? TBGI. My chart isn't loading again. Oh well. Anyways, TBGI. Come on, internet. Not now. I know it's TBGI. Sorry about this, guys. I don't know why the chart is acting up. I think TBGI is here. Here we go. TBGI. Let me use this instead. I can't work like this. Come on, internet. Third telco, please come. Anyways, let me just go ahead why I chose TBGI. TBGI, if you can watch your chart, it did a breakout yesterday, so that's a good confirmation to get in. Um, Stop loss below the previous resistance. That should be good for TBGI. Let me try DFNN. Our next pick, maybe it's just acting up on this stock. Yeah, I think it was a problem with Investograms. Anyways, so this is DFNN. If you notice DFNN, let me get an uptrend line for DFNN. Sorry, here I'm gonna pick this one because it's the most recent. Previous low. Alright, so this is DFNN right here. After a deep pullback, there were signs of buying yesterday. I don't know why I missed that, but um, if you want to get in, it's still on its uptrend line, but don't get in up here. Get in at this level right here. We have a new uptrend because of the support it made 2 days. I mean, this was last Friday. It made last Friday, and then buying was confirmation on Friday. Yeah, this was the confirmation on Friday. This was Monday, and still it's on an uptrend line. So if you want to get in around this level right here. You can wait for the stock right there. If you can't get in there, don't worry. There are other stocks to get into. Next is SCC. Let me get SCC. All right, so here's SCC. Why did I recommend SCC? If you notice, there's already an uptrend line right there. There is a clear resistance right here. But if you notice, this is making an ascending triangle right there. And the price yesterday closed at the perfect level. When it hit the uptrend line, you see that it started buying again and recovered until there. So it should open right here, which is on its uptrend line. So this is the perfect time to get in SCC. Hopefully it will hold its uptrend. I think it will because it's an ascending triangle. So this is going to be a very good stock to get into. Next stock is FMETF. First Metro. Alright, so FMETF, if you notice FMETF, it did a breakout yesterday, and then that breakout did hold. If you want to get in this, get in around this level. You can always wait for it. With the action yesterday, it did start to sell off. Let me zoom that. It did start to sell off, but stopped right there. You can go in there. It might still sell off, but I'm pretty sure that if it hits this previous resistance, which is now its support, it will go up again. The next stock I am recommending is, which is the last one for the recommendations today, SMC. If you are checking out SMC, it's on a slow climb, but it's on its uptrend line. It's loading again. Here we go, SMC. This is the uptrend line of SMC. It did consolidate here, started climbing, pull back, then consolidated again, and then when it hit its uptrend line right here, it started to go up. This might go up today, but I think this is gonna, even though it's gonna go up at the start, I think it's gonna still go down right here. So look for a bargain at this level right here around 142. That's the best entry point. You can be very aggressive and start at the open right away, but I would suggest be, what do you call this? Look for a bargain around this level right here, because with the movement, even though if it's like this one, this is still very, what do you call this? When it's on an uptrend line, it's very volatile, so it will go up or down. But if it was at perfectly at its support level right there, it should go up right away. But this one is right above the support line, so there's a chance that this will still go down. So I would suggest waiting for it to go here. Just set an order at 142 and you should be able to get in once the price is hit. Anyways, I have a bunch of watch lists. It's actually a long list of watch lists after the market moved yesterday. I want you to watch ANI, AEV, PF, Globe, which is GLO, DWC, which was on a breakout, POPI. Sorry about the DWC. Get in on a breakout if you're not in yet. It's been winning for how many days, but I think it's gonna do a breakout today. So if you wanna get DWC still, let me just get that. I'll show you DWC. Yeah, so if you wanna get on DWC, even though if it's already winning for days, it's gonna do a breakout maybe today. So if it does break out today, it's a good time to get in tomorrow. And DWC is still loading. Anyways, right here. So this is the resistance. If it does a breakout today, get in tomorrow. Let me put a horizontal line there. Yeah, maybe support resistance will do. Anyways, yeah, so here's the price of DWC. Actually, the resistance is here, so it's really at that level. When it hit the resistance right there, it went back, but it didn't do a pullback that much. It just did a little pullback when it hit resistance. I think it should hit it again today with the volume right here, which is increasing. So there's an increased interest on the stock. So if it breaks out today, get in tomorrow. POPI, after it's on a pullback. After the pullback, get in after a green candlestick. ABG for confirmation. Look for confirmation. What they call this candlestick. MVC, LIHC, LCB, as its Bollinger Bands are constricted. It's on a slow climb. ICT also is on a steady climb. And Phoenix, PNX, get in PNX when it breaks out. Right there. It did do a good recovery. It's now on a resistance level, and then if it breaks out resistance 2, that's the best time to get in. Anyways, yeah, the full list is on our FB page. If you want to check it out, just go there again. I wanna thank everyone for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do this every day for the recommendations so that you'll see the technicals behind my recommendations. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to subscribe so you'll see the updates that I upload every day. Thank you so much for the support. This is Lloyd. Seize the day. Peace out.